I'm standing outside the beautiful R. Brad Martin Student Wellness Center. We're going to go inside and take a look at this gym that we have here on campus. It's an amazing facility. Come take a tour with me. First, let me introduce you to Steve Whistler, who oversees this. Steve, hey, how are you?
Welcome.
Hey,
Good.
now what's your official title here?
Executive Director of Campus Recreation.
And you oversee this beautiful facility. One of the things that we are really focusing on here at the university is student well-being, student experience, right? Physical well-being, mental well-being, all factors in. And this is a great facility for that, right?
It sure is.
Let's take a quick tour.
Sounds good.
So Steve, tell me about the major areas that we have within this facility.
Well, we've got weight training. We've got cardio equipment. We've got group fitness studios. We've got aquatics.
Okay.
Don't want to neglect to say that. And we also got functional training represented throughout the building.
Okay, all right, let's go take a look at some of those.
Sounds great.
So Steve, there's 2 levels to the building. We just came upstairs here. What are we looking at here?
Well, you've got a wide variety of cardio equipment, from treadmills to ellipticals, recumbent bikes, upright bikes.
So this is a lot of cardio up here.
Yeah.
All right, let's go over and take a look at the track here.
All right. So it's got 3 lanes and it's 1/10 of a mile. So 10 laps to the mile.
Steve, I assume that one of the most popular areas here is the weight training. So
Absolutely.
tell us what we're looking at here.
You've got some free weights here with the power racks, and we've got 2 sides to them. So you've got 6 total stations. And then beyond that, you can see some plate loaded machines and our selectorized.
Goes all the way around the corner.
Yeah.
Free weights around the corner here, so lots of space. Actually, when we were upstairs, I saw some free weights up there as well.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
this is a heavily used area.
Oh, yes. Very popular.
You also have lots of classes here, right? That people can come in and join others and taught by an instructor.
So we've got 4 group fitness studios, 3 upstairs, 1 downstairs. This one we're standing in is the high intensity studio. So you can do so many things in here, and it really is a wonderful place for students to be creative with their workouts.
Steve, in addition to the things that we've seen from cardio to weight training, we have 2 beautiful indoor gyms here that I know are heavily used. Most of the time when I'm in here, there's a lot of people in here playing basketball. Steve, this is an incredible facility for our students, but also our faculty and staff who utilize this space. Part of well-being is that physical well-being, which promotes mental well-being as well. And this just, I don't think people understand and appreciate just how valuable and important this facility is. So thank you to you and your team for all you do here.
Well, thank you.